Hello YouTube and welcome to What the Math. In today's video I'm going to take a look at a free-to-play game available on Steam, a game called MoonBase Alpha. This game is actually not a game at all, it's more of a commercial for NASA because it's actually made by NASA for one thing, to inspire a new generation of space exploration. And I totally appreciate that and I love how they actually decided to create this. And what I'm going to do is take a look at this from a perspective of a player and also from a perspective of a teacher as well. So there's two things you can do here. You can actually join a multiplayer game, and all of these are pretty awesome because you get to play with other people. But before we do that, let me just show you what the game is about. So I'm going to create a completely new game, let's just say for 1 to 2 players, and it's going to be a free play mode so that we don't have to stress out about time. And basically, this is what the game is like.
MoonBase Alpha, this is Research Team Beta. Over.
Copy that, Beta. Go ahead.
We're returning from the field. We should be back at the outpost in less than 5 minutes. Over.
Copy that, Beta. We'll see you in 5 minutes at Nav 1.
Alright, so this game actually does a really good job at explaining what you need to do, and it does have a really awesome tutorial, but I just disabled it for the sakes of me being able to talk and not talking over their voices. But basically there's a equipment shed here, and you need to start collecting tools and try to repair different things around the base. Now, the storyline in this game is actually really simple. There's a meteorite crash on the moon and you live here and this is your home, so you have to repair it. But what I really like about this, and this is where the NASA touch comes in, is that basically there's a lot of explanations for why you need to do these things, how the oxygen is produced, how things work around the base, and what is what and what is where. And a lot of the things here are very realistic as well. Like for example, gravity on the moon. So if you jump much higher than on Earth, or not much higher, but a little bit higher. Also, there's quite a lot of players that always join your server if you do play alone, or you can actually create a server just for your team. So if you're doing this in class, if you're actually using this as some sort of a introduction tool, or I mean, you can do this for many different reasons, starting from chemistry to Earth sciences. But basically, if you are using this in class, you can obviously create a private server as well. But there's a look at that. There's a first person here, and the coolest thing about this game is this: it actually has text to speech.
Hello. What's up?
So this game has text to speech, which is awesome. I'm going to go ahead and start driving this thing because that's yes, this is actually one of the funnest part in the game, which is basically text to speech. I'm gonna try to drive this thing. I can't. Both hands. Oh, because I'm holding the tool. No. How do I drop it? I forgot. Drop the tool. Oh, drop it here. Here, I can possibly put it down here. Ah, there we go. Load item. And you can drive in this game, and it's pretty fun as well. So there's quite a lot of features in here, and it's absolutely free. So I'm actually really impressed with what they've been able to achieve in this game, considering that you don't have to pay anything for it. Alright, so this is how you drive moon buggies on the moon, and it's super fun. Check out the effects here. So I'm gonna go crash this into something, but basically your goal here is to repair these various objects, and when you play competitively you have to do this in using, well, first of all, teamwork, but also basically various tools and various strategies, and do this and using the using various strategies as fast as you can. So competitively, you're basically playing this as a team, and you're trying to beat other people's score, and it's super fun, especially if you're playing this as a team. And there's so many people playing this that is actually crazy. There's always many players you can join and try to play with them. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this up. I don't know why is it not being picked up. Ah, there we go. So let's take our welding torch and go repair some things. Now, every time you repair anything, you get to play a mini game. So there's actually a game within the game where you get to play. Hey, huh? What's that sound? Whoa! Where are you going? No, my car, dude. Where's my car? How is it driving? Whoa! No, no! I thought he was gonna kill me. All right. Anyway, so let's do this. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. What do you want? Someone's driving my car. I want to do the torch thing. Where is the torch? I need to repair with the torch. So I already have like 4 people on the server, even though I wasn't actually expecting anyone to join. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the repairing works. And there's also other things like robots, or what do you call them, droids, that you can use in this game to repair objects that are too dangerous for you to repair yourself. So there's so many things, so many features. And there's currently, I believe it's 4 or possibly 5 different maps with 5 different specific stories and basically goals that you have to achieve. Alright, so this is how the minigame works. This is so that you can repair things a little bit faster. Now there's currently 5 people on this server, and they're all going to be trying to repair this with me. We're going to try to repair our base and cooperate. Now people in this game are ridiculously friendly as well, and it's actually really fun to play with them because it does make it a little bit more interesting. Now from perspective of a gamer, I totally love this. From perspective of a teacher, there's so many things here that you can use in class for various science classes, for various even math classes, where you basically, oh no, I broke this, where you can basically compete with or have your students compete with each other and discover new things, you know, in subjects like earth sciences, chemistry, physics, and basically you get to inspire them to become astronauts, which is one of the best parts about this game. Alright, so I'm trying to complete this repair, and it's getting more and more difficult as I'm going along, and I'm not doing so well. And right there you can see there's a rover that someone's controlling. Oh no, you're gonna kill me. This guy is not driving really well. Okay, so I've repaired the first thingy, and someone is repairing that area because you can't actually access it in your suit. Apparently this is radiation or something, or coolant that will be very dangerous for you. So there's so many things here that you can do, and a lot of them are super fun. So I'm going to show you another map that has a slightly different objective. And this time we're going to start a 2-team map that is much bigger than the previous map. So let's actually start this, and there you go. This is a very different map. First of all, it's completely dark, so it's nighttime, and it does get a little bit more difficult because first of all, you're competing against the other team, and second of all, it's just you can't see anything. Anyway, so the game is epic. You definitely have to try this if you've never tried this before. There's lots of things you can do, like construct robots, and then you can basically use them. I'm gonna make one with the welding torch, and I'm gonna place it right here and drive it around, and then show you what that's like as well. And this is my first robot, so now I can kind of see things a little bit better. This is me in there, because this thingy has night vision. Alright, so the text-to-speech in this game is, even though it's so funny, it can get quite annoying because people will abuse it a lot. Alright, so here I need to repair this part, I think. So I'm going to try and... Oh no. I can't do this. There we go. Oh, it's so close. Oh, that text-to-speech is gonna kill me. Alright. Okay, so my robot fails. I'm just going to try to finish this without it. But basically that's... Oh, I found the toolbox. Yay! Give me the welder. But basically that's the game in a nutshell. So you try to repair the base, you work with the other team, you race against the time or against the other team, and try to get the best possible score before everyone dies of suffocation. So it's a pretty realistic scenario for when we do make it to the moon, and for when things... Ooh, whoa, that was scary. For when we do try to survive. There's lots of different awesome elements in this game that make me really happy about this game existing, specifically because this is free to play, and because this is a game that will inspire people to become NASA astronauts. So overall, definitely give this a try. It's available on Steam, and it works pretty well on many different computers. the mini games in this game also get quite difficult, so that's kind of cool as well. And in about 12 seconds, I think we're going to fail this mission because I wasn't really playing very well and I was talking too much, and the component right there is about to fail. So basically, if you don't repair everything, everyone dies because they run out of oxygen. Time ran out, coupler is destroyed. So our moon base is a failure and we lose. But nevertheless, this game is actually really good. There's so many different challenges here, so many ways of competing with other people, and most importantly, it's absolutely child-friendly. It's definitely really well made in that there's no murder, there's no killing. It's just you trying to survive and constructing things, building things, making things better on the moon. Anyway, give this game a try. It's probably one of the better games on Steam that is free and that is quite educational as well. And I'm going to drive my rover into the abyss because I don't think I'm doing well in this game. And pause this video right after I reach some kind of a epic location.
Thank you for watching. Game later, alligators. Bye-bye.